Module Overview. Color is one of the most powerful nonverbal communication tools in branding and advertising. It instantly conveys emotion, tone, intention, and cultural positioning. In this module, we will dive deeply into the psychological, strategic, and cultural implications of using color in branding and advertising, supported by data-driven marketing psychology, semiotics, and neuromarketing insights. This module builds on the emotional aspects explored in Module 7, but shifts toward application in brand identity systems, consumer influence, color forecasting, and global campaigns. We also examine color equity, color codes, cultural pitfalls, and how brand color choices affect customer loyalty, perception, and behavior. On the strategic role of color in branding. 1. Color as brand identity. Color is central to brand personality. Approximately 80% of brand recognition is driven by color. Famous examples: Coca-Cola, red, equals bold, energetic, youthful, Tiffany and Company. Robin Egg blue, equals luxury, elegance, exclusivity. Google, multicolor, equals diversity, innovation, playfulness. 2. Consistency in color usage. Brands develop color systems and guidelines that are consistent across print, web, packaging, and merchandise. Example: McDonald's red and yellow evoke appetite and energy, consistent in every market. 3. Color equity. When a color becomes synonymous with a brand, e.g., T-Mobile's magenta, UPS's brown, Facebook's blue, it builds what is called color equity. These associations can be legally protected through color trademarks. 2. Consumer psychology and purchase behavior. 1. Neuromarketing and color influence studies show red evokes urgency and impulse. Blue builds trust, making users more likely to input personal data. Green is ideal for eco-products. Orange promotes action, used for call-to-action buttons. Up to 90% of initial product judgments can be based on color alone, especially in retail. 2. Gender preferences. Men tend to prefer bold colors like blue and black. Women often prefer softer palettes like lavender, teal, or pastel tones. These nuances matter in branding cosmetics versus sports gear. 3. Color in e-commerce. Button color, e.g., add to cart in orange versus green, affects conversion rates. Split testing proves that subtle color changes can result in huge revenue shifts. 3. Color and culture in global advertising. 1. Cultural color, meaning variations. While red means passion in the West, it signifies good luck and prosperity in China. White is purity in America, but mourning and death in Japan and India. Missteps in global branding occur when color psychology is not localized. 2. Cultural sensitivity in campaigns. Example: Pepsi's failed rebranding in Southeast Asia involved changing from deep blue to light blue, which signified death in some regions. Global brands often create region-specific color schemes while maintaining overall identity. 4. Color theory in logo design. 1. Logo color and industry blue dominates in tech, e.g. IBM, Facebook, Intel. Green in wellness and nature, e.g. Whole Foods, John Deere. Red in food and beverage, for example, KFC, Red Bull. Black and white in luxury, e.g. on Chanel, Apple. 2. Color harmony and contrast. Successful brands often combine complementary or analogous color schemes to create emotional resonance and legibility. Example: FedEx uses orange and purple, analogous yet energetic and professional. 5. Color in packaging and shelf impact. 1. Packaging psychology. Colors are crucial in product packaging. Red grabs impulse buyers, yellow for children's products, pastels for beauty and skincare. Packaging color affects perceived value, taste, and quality. 2. Shelf differentiation. In cluttered retail environments, brands use contrasting colors to stand out. Studies show consumers are more likely to choose a product that visually pops, even if it's unfamiliar. 6. Color in digital advertising and social media. 1. Color trends in digital campaigns. Bright, bold hues for Gen Z, muted earthy tones for millennials. Digital-first brands use gradients, neon, duotones, and dark modes to engage younger audiences. 2. Social media branding influences and brands establish identity through consistent color palettes in posts, stories, and highlights. Color grading on platforms like Instagram affects engagement and brand cohesion. Measuring and optimizing color performance. 1. A/B testing and analytics brands conduct color split tests for ad campaigns. Metrics like CTR, conversion, and bounce rate are analyzed. 2. Color and ROI. Effective color strategies are directly tied to return on investment, ROI, in branding. Misused color equals lost opportunity and brand dilution. 8. Pitfalls and ethical considerations. Color manipulation, e.g., using red to evoke false urgency, must be handled ethically. Accessibility. Over-reliance on color without textual or shape indicators excludes colorblind users. Designers must account for contrast ratios, visual hierarchy, and universal design principles.